Wow, look at that. Oh, man. Somebody just got flashed back to the 80s. We must be like kin from back in the day or something.
I think so, man. I think
What's your name?
John Cooper.
John.
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Is this your baby?
It is. It's a 1993 Corvette. It's a Greenwood body kit, which is a kind of an aftermarket racing deal for Chevrolet.
That's such a nice kit. It actually has a really like cool style, matches the car just right. Were these are hubcaps, right?
So actually, it's a whole wheel cap setup.
It's a wheel and a cap.
Yeah.
Does that say something?
It says jazz. It's off of an old Honda SUV from the 80s, and he changed it over to fit the Corvette.
All right, so tell me about the BMX. The BMX have become hot again.
I've been doing BMX restorations for a very long time here, and it used to be you could go down to the flea market and they would be everywhere, and they've gotten so ridiculously hard to find now, especially the 80s stuff. This is a 96, and even it's hard to find.
All right, do you care if I drive it?
Not one bit,
Just
man.
want to like pretend that I'm back in the 80s again.
It's made to enjoy, so
Nice.
sit
Awesome.
in it, drive it, I'm all for it.
Do you have the wheel?
I don't, I didn't bring the wheel. I'm gonna tell
Well, then what are you gonna drive?
I'm gonna ride it in a wheelie. That's what I
Can
see
you
him
ride
do
on the
mine.
back?
No, but
Can
that
we
would be
ride?
kind of neat.
You think it would hold
I don't know
around
if it would
parking
hold.
lot?
I would hate to bust that window out, but it might.
Woo! Here we go. I'm ready.
Listen, we want
Yeah.
the shot, but
Sure.
safety first, nothing fast.
Of course.
Just treat
I
it-
always do safety
I'm
first.
concerned
I'm
about-
always safety first. I know. I've got a stunt man, stunt coordinator. We're good, right?
We are, man. Get on.
Woo!
We're good.
I'm
man.
sure it'll be fine.
Come on up.
Ah! I'm not as young as I once was, but I'm as young as I'll ever be.
We're on the move.
Go very slow. Hopefully this glass doesn't pop.
It's gonna be fine.
You think I can do a freestyle move? Like, look, I got a freestyle move happening right there. Where are the pegs?
I took them off for safety.
Oh, man.
I'm gonna give it a little juice.
Whoa, Jesus.
You good? Yeah, I said I'm gonna give it a little juice.
All right, we didn't break it. We'll see you next time on Caffeine.